So now we are on the entrance of the German Autobahn. There's the unrestricted sign. This is you and the guy she tells you not to worry about. Hello guys, I am back welcoming you all with this beauty, the all new Mercedes-AMG A45S. In today's video we will be doing a walk around, showing you all the exterior features, afterwards jump inside to show you the beautiful interior of that car, and last but not least we will be driving that car, doing some race starts, sporty drivings to hear the sounds from the interior, and also an Autobahn run to finish it all off. So let me talk about this car in specific. Here we have the A45S, as you see, unfortunately without the aero package. I will show you how the car would look like if we had the aero package, but we have the night package installed. Also the car is painted in sun yellow, one of the most beautiful colors for the A45. This is a new color which came with the new W177 A class. Also we have the M139 4-cylinder 2-liter AMG engine, which produces 421 brake horsepower, which is super powerful. We'll be demonstrating you the sound and performance of that beast later on. But let's start with the walk around, starting with the front of this beautiful A45S. As I already mentioned, unfortunately without the aero flaps, which would have been super cool on that car, but looks more decent and better for daily driver. Very elegant still. But let's just start with the walk around, starting with the front and the new updated A class headlights. As we already know from the stock A class, we have the center eyebrow and the LEDs here, the multi-beam LED top-notch headlights for Mercedes Benz models. Then we have the Panamericana grille here with the 12 vertical stripes, AMG emblem, the 3D Mercedes star, the camera, and Mercedes-Benz star in black. Also the beautiful bonnet with the brutal power domes, looking super sick. Then we have the intakes and the front bumper. As I already mentioned, we have the night package. Therefore these parts are finished in black, in gloss black. Also we have huge intakes here, which separates the 45 from the 35 model. You can see it's more wider, and we have the bigger intakes here, reminding me very much of the GT63S, for example. You can see these are also real, and we have the front skirt all finished in black with the intakes. And also on the right side, as we know from CLA 45, we have a plastic cover. I really don't understand why. But let's skip that and concentrate on the side of this beautiful car. A45 hatchback model. I'm more a coupe fan, more CLA fan, as I already told you in my latest reviews, but this is also a crazy pocket rocket racer. Very nice. Let's start with the side and the wheels, the rims. Mercedes AMG multi-spoke ones here, 19-inch, finished in black with the red brake calipers, also with the AMG emblem and the AMG engraved here. And we have the side, the Turbo 4MATIC badge with the 4MATIC, and the plus is finished in red, which fits beautiful with the brake calipers. Continuing here with the side mirror frames, also finished in black, since we have the night package. If we didn't have the night package, these would be in chrome. The side mirrors also black. The rear wheels, also we have the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S wheels, the best one you can get, honestly. They are literally on every AMG I drive, and you feel very safe with these. The Mercedes center lock here, the rear wheels also 19-inch. So let's continue the walk around with the rear view, the A45S. Here we have it. Unfortunately, and I'm telling you that over and over again, no aero package, but still looking very nice. Let me start the rear with the new taillight, looking very sharp. the new updated ones. Very slick, nice design by Mercedes Benz. How do you guys like them? Many people complain that they look too much like an Asian car, too much like a Chinese car. What do you think? Just comment down below. We have the rear spoiler here, which is stock for the A45 models, even if you don't have the aero package. If we had the aero package, we would have an extra spoiler here, proceeding here with the AMG emblems in chrome, the A45 S badge, the Mercedes star, and the diffuser all finished in black since we have the Nike package. Also the exhaust tips looking fire with the AMG engraved since we have the performance exhaust, all finished in black. There's also another diffuser which comes with the aero package, which I really prefer. So if you go and get yourself an A45 on CLA 45, I always recommend you guys to get the aero package. So that's it basically from the exterior walk around. Before we continue with the interior, let me show you the key of this beautiful A45S. Here we have the updated Mercedes-AMG key, all finished in black, which looks super nice. We have this part here finished in black matte with the AMG and the gloss buttons. Unfortunately, no automated trunk opener. It's manually, so we have these two buttons, lock and unlock. So that's it from the exterior. Now let's step inside the A45S. So now it's time to show you the interior of this beautiful A45. And here we have it. Before we jump inside, let me show you the door panels. Finished in black leather with the yellow stitching, also in combination with the dark gray leather, the yellow stitching. We have the Burmester sound system and the AMG entrance board, the AMG floor mat as well. So now let's hop inside this beautiful A45S. So here we have it, the interior of the A45S. But first things first, you know, I'm a huge fan of the animation. And here we have the original A45 animation. As you know, in the CLA 45, we also have the A45 animation, as well as in the GLA 45. Never mind, let's continue here with the interior. As you know, we have the AMG, not the latest AMG steering wheel, but the AMG steering wheel here. Finished in Dinamica. We also know it from Alcantara, with the yellow stitching all over the steering wheel, also with the 12 o'clock detail, as well as the steering wheel buttons. The steering wheel frame is finished in stock color, and we have the additional shift pedal extensions made for me by Petrolheads World. I will be putting the link in the description below. If you're interested in upgrading your steering wheel, your AMG steering wheel or your Mercedes with shift pedals, they have a bunch of these and other car related accessories in their shop. Just make sure to check them out. As you know, this is the A-Class specific interior. We have the MBUX infotainment system here. Then we have the air vents. This is all finished in black piano, which I'm not a big fan of. But for that, as always, I have my microfiber cloth. As you know, the black gloss, you see like instantly every single fingerprint or else. And for that, I always use the microfiber cloth. And I have it here where you can charge your phone with a wireless charging or put your drinks inside. You can also close this compartment. Then we have the touchpad as well as all the buttons, the dynamic to change the driving modes, for parking, the vehicle settings, navigation, radio, telephone, volume setting, as well as on the steering wheel. We have it here with the volume for controlling the right hand side display, and on the left hand side we have the cruise control buttons and to control the left hand side display. All in all, beautiful interior. But something I forgot to mention are these beautiful AMG bucket seats, finished in black with the yellow stitching and the yellow trim. Really lovely. I love these in combination with the yellow details we have, and in addition to the yellow exterior paint. Looks very nice. All in all, beautiful interior. Let me just start up the car. There we go. Let me show you the steering wheel buttons. You know, we can change the driving modes from slippery, individual, comfort, sport, sport plus and race for the S models. On the left side you also have a bunch of options. If you tap here, for example, the exhaust button, since we have the performance exhaust mounted on that one, but you can also select and control these on these buttons. You only have them on the A45 for shifting, for the ESP, the exhaust button, and for the suspension. Also with the head-up display, really looking nice. Unfortunately we have the smaller display here. I wish it was a bigger one, but lovely. So how do you guys like the interior of the A45S? How do you guys like the additional shift pedals? Would really love to hear your comments in the comment section below. Already looking forward to read and answer all of your comments. So let's do this. We will be now leaving the car for a sound check, and then we will be driving out. Let's go. So now it's time for the ultimate sound check. We're going to demonstrate you the sound of the A45S. We have the performance exhaust mounted. We will be starting with a startup, then comfort, sport, and sport plus. So let's go. So this was comfort. Now let's switch to sport. Now it's time for Sport Plus. So that's it basically from the sound. How do you guys like the sound? I know, a little bit disappointing when you expect the old A45 sound, I'm honest with you, but while driving it sounds different. So we will be taking this one out for a drive, and I'm going to show you the sound from the interior, and I'm going to explain you why it sounds much better from the interior. So let's go. So now we are on the entrance of the German Autobahn. As you see, there's the unrestricted sign, and we will be heading out with the A45 with a race start. that's it basically for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching. As a resume, I have to say I really like the A45, and as the exterior point, I recommend you all guys to get the aero package and the sun yellow exterior paint. Really beautiful color in every sunshade, really love it. Yes, all in all, driving it was super fun, very agile, very sporty. It's kind of feeling like it's trying to convince you every time to go faster, to drive fast and to do sound driving, like sporty driving. It's like very difficult to drive it on a daily basis, like comfortable, especially with the sport seats. Like every time you step inside the A45, you will find yourself driving fast and pushing it to the max. Really enjoyed the car. Huge thanks to Mercedes again for that possibility. I hope you all enjoyed watching. How do you guys like it? How do you guys like the sound, the exterior, the driving on the Autobahn? Just comment down below. Please subscribe to this channel, and I'm already looking forward to see you guys again and wish you all a great day. I will be back